How to activate priority pass on Amex. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to activate priority pass on Amex. To activate priority pass on Amex, you have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, to activate your priority pass, select membership. You can either call the number on the back of the card or do it online through your account. Here's how you can actually do it. So first of all, sign into your American Express account. So log into your American Express account and find the membership benefit link, which will be located in the membership tab, and click the benefit button. Now, next thing, you want to find the box for the American Express Global Lounge collections and click on the Enroll button. Now you want to complete the registration. The last step is to double check you are enrolling the correct card. Click the box to indicate you agree to the terms, and then hit enter and click on the enroll button. So this way you'll be able to activate priority pass and Amex. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.